I'm Anil Kumar, and here is an application question on factoring. A circle has radius of 5 centimeters. If the radius is increased by x centimeters, find the increase in circumference and area. So let's try to understand the question first. We have a circle, and let us say that the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. So this circle has a radius of 5 centimeters. Now what we do is we increase the radius by x. So let us say we have another circle which obviously has more area, but the radius of this bigger circle is now 5 plus x, right? So that is increased by x. The radius has been increased by x. What do we need to find? We need to find increase in circumference and increase in area. So change in circumference and change in area. I hope the concept is clear to you. For circumference, the formula is, you can write C equals to 2 pi r, and for area, we know area is equals to pi r square. You can take these two formulas, pause the video, and then solve the question, right? Here is my solution. When I say increase in circumference, that means what? We say increase in circumference. So let us say a circumference report. That means we have circumference of a big circle, right? Minus circumference of small circle. Is that okay? So that means big circle is what? Big circle is 2 pi, and the radius for the big circle is 5 plus x, minus small circle is 2 pi times 5. So that is the small circle circumference. Now let's use factoring techniques to factor. So what you can do is you can factor out 2 pi and 2 pi. Once you do that, you get 5x, 5 plus x, minus 5 in the brackets, right? Now solving, we get 2 pi, 5 minus 5 is 0, 2 pi x. So the increase in circumference is indeed 2 pi x, right? So we can say increase means delta is indeed equal to 2 pi x. So that is the answer for us, right? So using factoring, we can solve such questions. Now let us look into increase in area, right? So let's redo. So we'll now do increase in area, right? So that is also, we'll begin with the same. So we have area for the big circle minus area for small circle. Okay. Now what is the area? Area is pi r square. Radius for the big one is 5 plus x. So we'll say pi times 5 plus x whole square minus small circle pi r square, radius is 5. So 5 times 5 square. Now pi is common, so we'll take pi as common, and what do we get here? We get 5 plus x square. Let me put brackets here, right? Let me put brackets here. So 5 plus x whole square, let me use, minus 5 squared. You see that? Now at this stage, we could expand, simplify, or we can use factoring techniques, difference of square, right? I hope you remember a square minus b square is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So that is difference of squares is equal to product of sum and difference. So we'll apply that difference of squares now. So I could write this as pi, and within brackets it will be 5 plus x plus 5 times 5 plus x minus 5. Get it, right? So now 5 plus 5 is 10. So within brackets we get 10 from the first one. Let me put them in brackets again. I mean 10 plus x. Okay, sorry for that. So what we get here is pi within bracket 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus x, and here 5 minus 5 is 0, so we get just x here, right? Expanding, we can write this as 10 pi x, right? 10 pi x plus pi x square, right? So pi x square. So that is how we could write our increase in area from the given condition, right? You can also rearrange writing x square terms first. So you could also write this as pi x square plus 10 pi x. Well, either way, it is all correct. Or you could even write in this factored form, which is pi x times 10 plus x. Either way, right? So all these are same things. This is in factored form, that is expanded form. And the units here will be centimeter square, right? So units will be centimeter square for change in area, and for change in circumference, the units will be centimeters. Correct. It's kind of important not to miss the units. So that is how you can find increase in circumference or area for the given circle where the radius is increased by x. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.